Yeah, so we are at the American Dream, y'all. Me and Zach Will. Come on, talk to him, Zach Will. Yo. I'm just trying to get you. Yeah, but yeah, it's kind of crazy. This thing is humongous. Got MetLife Stadium over. Yeah. We're trying to find the snowboarding. Oh, I think it's right here because it says it's like never. But yeah, we're here. Let's go snowboarding for the first time in the ice box, the refrigerator. We going in. You feel me? Oh, Chuck, I still have no idea where we're going. I'm you know what I do though.
I didn't think. Who would have guessed, right?
Who would have guessed? We in here. We in there. We found the way.
That's the big girl.
Yeah. But yeah, I don't. We're still kind of guessing. I have no idea where I'm going, but we shall see. You feel me? We did make this far.
Just so it's like easier. Just like I won't forget it. Where? There's no like another way.
I know.
It's definitely cool. We're gonna have to walk back while
I know. Yeah. Oh, here's we here. Zach Will, the American Dream, y'all, in the refrigerator. Come on, let's get it. All right, come on, let's skate up. Yeah, remember I taught you push your foot right here in the middle? Right here, just like that, right behind, no, like that. Like,
On the board?
Yeah, on the board, yeah.
All right.
Sit down, yep.
And we out.
And we out. Put your foot under it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
How you trying? Eventually you'll just be like me and I don't care. Put it straight, put your foot straight like this. Yeah. Alright, how about it? Yeah. I'm sorry, I had to go right. It's sea legs. Alright. Alright. Alright.
I remember the little thing.
Yeah. Yeah, watch that guy go down. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Try the other way. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Yo, not bad, yo. Alright. Yeah. You doing the toe slide, no problem. Switch back, player. Yeah! That's funny. You good, player? I got you. Hit a slide, player. Oh. Come on. Oh.
I'm okay.
I got you. Yo, you didn't fall. And you're doing new things first run. Yeah. Yo, try to do one of these. Oh. Yeah, try to do what we practiced the first time, like sitting in a chair. No. You gotta lean. Oh. You gotta lean. Yeah, there we go. All right, try. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, my boy, rolling. Oh yeah. Get that jump, play. I'm right here. Get that jump. Oh yeah. Yeah. That was your best run, yeah. I got your back. In case you were about to crash out or something. Yeah. Yes, sir. Stop. Oh yeah. Yo, can you stop right now? Yeah. Oh. Yo, not bad. I want to see if you can stop on a dime. sketch. I'm on your nuts. Slide out, player. Slide out, yeah. Turn left, yeah. Oh, here comes the jump, y'all. Oh! All right, slow down, slow down. See if you can slow down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Chuck, I gotta go this way. My boy. Oh! You just trying new things. It's all good. Yeah, you gotta stay back, like here. Yeah, I gotta stay. Just work on slowing down on this one. Car video is slowing down. Oh, come on. Oh, you good, player? Hey. You're good. Okay, okay. With the save. On your left. Wait. No, you good? Here, wait a second. Stop. Pose up. It's not be okay. Oh! Alright. That guy. Just look forward. Don't look at me. Look forward. Yeah. 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 Look at us sitting in there. No! Oh, geez. I shot him. Okay, okay. He's riding, y'all. Okay. Hey. Yeah, let's get out of here. Yeah, it was a good time here, y'all. Y'all should check this place out. For real. All right. How you feel about this place, Mark?
Sore.
Sore. He's a Mark.
It was fun though.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely recommend this place to anyone. Biggest place in the world, you feel me? These nuts. But yeah, you guys should make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. More content coming soon. YouTubers, blah, blah, blah. Peace.